Hello and welcome to Skills Direction, your guide to focused learning. In this episode, we'll examine ways to earn money by writing articles on Medium.com. In a world driven by digital connectivity, the ability to write well is not just a skill, it's a ticket to a world of online earning opportunities. Are you passionate about writing and curious about how to turn your words into a reliable income stream? This bite-sized guide focuses on the key steps you need to take on your roadmap to success. We'll explore the fundamental ways to make money writing articles online and dive deep into the strategy for maximizing your earnings on our chosen platform, Medium.com. Before diving into the specifics of Medium.com, let's navigate the landscape of online writing income. Here are the key pathways to explore. 1. Freelance writing, crafting for clients, earning for yourself. Enter the realm of freelance writing, where your words are in demand. Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer.com connect you with clients seeking your expertise. Turn your versatile writing skills into a steady income. 2. Guest blogging, forging connections and building backlinks. Guest blogging isn't just about words, it's about building connections. Share your insights on external websites and gain backlinks to your platform. The result? Enhanced exposure and credibility that translate into potential earnings. 3. Copywriting, transforming words into action. Master the art of copywriting, where your words have the power to drive action. From persuading customers to make purchases to creating compelling marketing campaigns, your writing can turn into a profitable persuasion tool. 4. Content writing, inform, engage, and earn. Businesses crave engaging content, and content writers provide it. Develop concise, informative, and captivating articles that resonate with readers while earning you a reliable income. 5. Blogging, your digital canvas for earnings. Blogging isn't just a hobby, it's a pathway to profits. Create your website, share your passions, and earn through advertising, affiliate marketing, and product sales as your audience grows. Now that we know what the possibilities are, let's take a closer look on our platform of choice, Medium.com, and how to get started. Medium.com is a blogging platform that allows writers to publish high-quality content for free. Medium also offers a partner program that allows writers to earn money when their articles are read by Medium members. To join the Medium partner program, you must have a Medium account and have published at least one story in the last 6 months. Once you are a member of the partner program, you will earn money based on the following factors. The number of times your articles are read by Medium members. The length of time your articles are read for. The number of claps and responses your articles receive. The amount of money you can earn on Medium varies depending on your readership and engagement. However, it is possible to earn a significant amount of money if you are able to write high-quality articles that are popular with Medium readers. Here are some of the potential benefits of using Medium to earn money from writing. Reach a large audience. Medium has over 100 million monthly readers, so you have the potential to reach a large audience with your writing. Earn money for your writing. If you are able to write high-quality articles that are popular with Medium readers, you can earn money through the Medium Partner Program. Build a following. Medium is a great platform for building a following of readers who are interested in your work. This can help you to promote your writing to a wider audience and to attract new clients. Get feedback on your writing. Medium allows readers to leave comments and feedback on your articles. This can be helpful for improving your writing skills and for getting feedback on your ideas. If you are looking for a way to earn money from writing, Medium is a great platform to consider. It is a free platform to join and use, and it has the potential to help you reach a large audience and earn a significant amount of money. Here are some additional tips for earning money from writing on Medium. Write about topics that you are passionate about. This will make your writing more engaging and authentic. Do your research. Make sure that your articles are well researched and informative. Write in a clear and concise style. Your articles should be easy to read and understand. Proofread your work. Make sure that your articles are free of errors. Promote your articles. Share your articles on social media and on your website. Get involved in the Medium community. Comment on other people's articles and participate in discussions. So, what do you do next? These are the steps to get you started. Step 1. Join the Medium Partner Program, opening the earnings gateway. Unlock the potential of Medium.com by joining the Medium Partner Program. Your Medium account and a recent published story are your keys to earning money through your articles. Step 2. Craft exceptional Medium articles. Quality breeds rewards. Quality is paramount on Medium. Craft well-researched, informative, and captivating articles that cater to your target audience's interests and leave a lasting impact. Step 3. Strategic topic selection. Riding the trend wave. Discover the art of choosing topics that resonate with Medium's audience. Utilize analytics tools to identify trending subjects, enabling you to ride the wave of popularity and maximize your earnings. Step 4. Amplify reach through effective promotion. Your articles need visibility to generate income. Promote them vigorously through social media, your personal website, and Medium publications to expand their reach and impact. Step 5. Foster reader engagement. The claps to cash connection. Encourage reader engagement by inspiring claps and responses. Higher engagement equals higher earnings. Craft compelling calls to action that foster meaningful interactions. Section 3. Navigate your journey to success. While the road to online writing success is exciting, it requires dedication and a willingness to learn. Here are additional insights to help you navigate the journey. Consistency pays. Regular content creation on Medium establishes a steady income stream over time. Embrace patience. Building a substantial following and consistent earnings requires time. Stay committed and patient. Forge connections. Network with fellow Medium writers, amplifying your visibility and enriching your journey. Learn from masters. Dive into the knowledge shared by accomplished Medium writers. Their experiences offer valuable lessons for your own success. In conclusion, as you embark on this journey of turning your writing into a thriving online income, armed with a wide array of strategies and a strategic plan for Medium.com, remember that your words possess the potential to change your financial trajectory. By following this bite-sized guide, you'll do more than just develop your passion, you'll unleash your earnings potential in a world where your words are truly your greatest asset. That wraps up this episode of the Skills Direction podcast. Thank you for tuning in. If you enjoyed this episode, please don't forget to subscribe for more. Also, for one-to-one learning offers, and information about our detailed training courses, as well as guidance on CV creation and the use of new AI tools, please visit our website at skillsdirection.com. Stay tuned for more valuable insights and guidance on your journey towards success. Until next time, stay safe and keep learning.